Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of diary in this video. This video is especially for girls. The designs of diaries I have added to my video are very trendy these days. These light color diaries and dark color diary designs looking so beautiful. This video contains good collection of diaries for girls. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please watch this video at the end and share this video for your friends, families. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. The designs I have added to my video are very trendy these days. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments box. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.